I'm sure you've come across those would you rather videos on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. These videos are super engaging, and people love watching them. That's why channels like Brainist and The Daily Quiz are thriving. Brainist, with only 37 videos, has gathered 19,000 subscribers since it started in April 2023. The Daily Quiz, with just 151 videos, boasts a whopping 1.87 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, they're making around $144,000 a month. The catch? They're both into long video content. But here's the issue. Lots of people are jumping on the same bandwagon, creating similar videos for the would you rather niche. Don't worry though. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a fresh, unique idea for this niche. This idea is so new that being among the first to use it could give your video a good chance of going viral. The burning question is, can you make money from a channel like this? Absolutely, but you've got to follow the exact steps I'm about to teach you. And guess what? We'll be using some cool AI tools in the process. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The plan is to create would you rather videos featuring superheroes. We can compare two superheroes or pit entire teams against each other. Here's a quick example.
Would you rather have Spider-Man powers or Flash's power? Would you rather get Spider-Man 4 or the Amazing Spider-Man 3?
But how do you come up with these questions? Fear not, we'll get ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. Firstly, I've crafted a special prompt to generate the questions we need. You can find this prompt in the description below. It asks ChatGPT to create 10 sets of comparisons between two superheroes. These questions are designed to encourage viewers to engage in the comments section. I've also thrown in 2 examples to get a clear output. Additionally, I've asked ChatGPT to provide random percentages reflecting how people might respond to the options. All this information will be neatly presented in a table. Now head over to Canva, create a design, and choose the YouTube Shorts template. We're going to make a video template, so go to Elements and add a square shape, covering half the template's surface area. Change its color to red, duplicate it, and cover the other half with a blue square. Next, add a thin square in the middle and a circle within that. Color the circle black. Add a text layer with a would you rather question. Play around with the font and add effects to make it stand out. Duplicate the text layer for the other option. Now, add 2 more text layers for the percentages, each in a different color. Green for higher percentage, red for lower. Place these layers on top of the others. To enhance the visual appeal, add image layers. Go to Elements and choose a suitable clock icon for the timer. Adjust its size and position it in the middle. Add frames and edit timing to control when they appear. Add sound effects, like a baseball swish for transitions and a clock ticking sound for the timer. Apply animations to the layers for a polished look. Now we need to download these sound effects because in Canva, we can't duplicate sound effects. At once do this. Delete all the layers that we created and download this empty template only with sound effects after. Press Ctrl+Z to undo the deleting. Now go to the uploads and upload the downloaded template here. Then add this template as a background layer. Like this, then place this downloaded layer at the back for that. Right-click and click on Set Video as Background. Now, we need images of the superheroes. Use an AI tool, like Leonardo AI. Type the superhero's name to generate an image for each mentioned in the table. This might take a few minutes, but aim for eye-catching images. If you're not satisfied with the images generated by Leonardo AI, simply go to Google, search for a superhero image, download it, return to Leonardo AI, click on Image Guidance, and upload the downloaded image. This way, it will generate images similar to the uploaded one. relieving any worries about copyright strikes. Upload these images to Canva. Generate all 10 clips at once by using the Bulk Create feature in Canva. Go to Apps, then go to Bulk Create, click on Enter Data Manually. Clear the table, then copy the table from ChatGPT and paste it into Canva. Then add the images to the appropriate columns. Connect the data by clicking in Text and Images. And let Canva generate the clips. After reviewing the generated clips, make adjustments if needed. Change the color of percentages if they're incorrect. Download the clips. You've now created a unique Would You Rather videos featuring superheroes using the power of AI. You can upload this to platforms like YouTube or TikTok and potentially see your channel grow. Best of luck, and I hope you've gained some valuable insights from this tutorial.